Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 28. I am teaching you chapter number 17. The name of the chapter is Environment Pollution. So, student, take out your book, open page number 101, open page number 101 of your book. Is it clear? Now see student, we are talking about air pollution. So let's do little recapitulation also what we have done in our previous video. See what are the, in previous chapter also we study about how we keep our surrounding clean, how we keep our surroundings clean. So student, there should be a proper disposal of the waste material. Otherwise, it will create different types of a pollutions that we are discussing in this chapter. That is a land pollution, water pollution. Now we are discussing air pollution. So student, when we are discussing about air pollution, so let's discuss some of the reason of air pollution. So student, when we are discussing the reason of air pollution, then again it is divided into two parts. Okay, few points I have already discussed in my previous video, so that you get more clear concept. Then again I started with separately writing the reasons of air pollutions. Okay, so student, when we are talking about air pollution, then it is divided into two parts. One, see student, due to increase of the population, we know lot of population in our country, that is India, and India is the seventh largest country in the world. Due to increase in population in our country, and another main reason why day by day the rate of pollution is increasing, the reason is advancement in the science and technology. So with this advancement, lot of change comes in the life of a human beings, but these scientific discoveries change the life of the human beings, but at the same time, due to these activities, we are destroying our planet also. So student, we have to control on our activities. Is it clear? So we must follow the right things, how we can do the waste management. because waste is the thing which we cannot, हम उसे कभी खत्म नहीं कर सकते हैं भाई। डेली हाउस वेस्ट है, फैक्ट्री वेस्ट है, स्कूल वेस्ट है, अदर सराउंडिंग में वेस्ट है, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि वेस्ट थिंग्स ना हो। बट बाई डूइंग फॉलोइंग द वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट we can manage how to do the proper disposal of the waste material, and with the help of 3 R's also I explain you this thing in the previous chapter also: reduce, reuse and recycle the waste material. Is it clear? Now see student, so due to human activities we have, in present time we are creating a problem for ourselves. These types of problems like land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, who has done this, all these things? This is due to our human activities, that we are not caring about our environment, and due to this maybe the time will come when life become very difficult on our planet also, that is earth. So student, come to the topic. When we are talking about the air pollution student, so it is divided into two types. One is, see, life of a human beings is not possible without the natural resources. Okay, so some pollutions are created by the nature, some pollutions are created by the nature. Two types. Pollution created by nature, and another thing is pollution created by human beings. Okay, see, when we are discussing about the air pollution, again it is divided into two parts. One is pollution created by nature, another is pollution created by human beings due to advancement in science and technology. So by this we have made our life वेरी कंफर्टेबल। हमने अपनी लाइफ को क्या कर लिया बेटा, बहुत कंफर्टेबल बना लिया है, और इस कंफर्टेबल के चक्कर में हमने बहुत सी अपने लिए प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट कर ली हैं। सो वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई एम डिस्कसिंग विद यू, दैट इज एयर पॉल्यूशन। ओके, नाउ सी स्टूडेंट, पॉल्यूशन क्रिएटेड बाय नेचर, sometime by accidentally it catches fire in the forest. कभी कभी होता है जंगल में आग लग जाती है। Is it clear? So many of the plants, many of the trees, many things burn in that fire. So maybe these things can be happen by itself, by the nature. So due to the burning of this, lot of smoke which contain the harmful gases, due to which the lot of smoke come out, and this smoke contains harmful gases, and these gases mix up with the air, and it create which type of a situation? Due to this also the air get polluted. Another, volcanoes, जब लावा निकलता है जमीन के नीचे से, एट दैट टाइम आल्सो सम हार्मफुल गैसेस आल्सो कम एट दैट टाइम. So these gases also they create some pollution. And even at the time of a monsoon season, मैंने वाटर पोल्यूशन में आपसे डिस्कस किया था. डू यू रिमेंबर? आई एम रिपीटिंग माई पॉइंट अगेन. एंड द मॉनसून सीजन व्हाट हैपन? लेवल ऑफ वाटर इंक्रीज इन द वाटर बॉडीज. So what happened? The water start coming out from the rivers and they start flowing into the open fields, and at that time they carry lot of soil particle also. So in this manner, when soil particle get mixed into the water, they are creating a water pollution. So that is also naturally. Is it clear? So fires in the jungle, accident fires and forest fires, which we have discussed. Forest fires in the jungle, due to this lot of things in the forest burn and it create air pollution. So these are the natural reason. Another thing is that sometime storms comes, तूफान आते हैं. सो बहुत तेज हवा, when the wind blow very fast, when the wind blow very fast, at that time lot of dust particle, they are light in weight, so at that time lot of dust particle they get mixed up with the air. So such a situation, it also create a air pollution. So student, just little recapitulation, when we are talking about the reason of air pollution. So student, then it is divided into two types. One is pollution created by nature, another is a pollution created by human beings. So what are the pollution which are created by the nature? That I have already discussed with you. Okay, first one, pollution created by nature, forest fires and lot of things burn. So at the time of burning, lot of smoke is produced, बहुत सा धुआं उठता है. And when these harmful gases get mixed to the air, then it creates a air pollution. Volcanoes come out, so at that time also gases come out, so it also create a air pollution. And when the fast wind blow, so lot of dust also come in the air. So in this manner also, due to the strong winds, fast winds, there is a situation of air pollution. Is it clear? Now we will discuss pollution created by human beings one by one. What types of the situation is created by the human beings? How this rate of pollution is increasing day by day due to human activities? Let we discuss here, and then we will discuss the point also which is given in your book also. Is it clear? So this point I have already discussed. Pollution created by, first point, forest fire, volcanoes, and third, due to fast wind, due to fast winds. Okay, so these are the 3 points we discussed. Pollution created by nature, and one point we discuss about the water pollution. At the time monsoon, lot of rainfall, that point we what just I discussed with you, that point is of a water pollution. Now let's discuss pollution created by human beings. See how the rate of pollution is increasing day by day due to the human activities. See, first point, cutting of trees. This point is very common in all type of a pollutions also. This is, if you cut a lot of trees, the problem of a soil erosion will arise, because we know that the root of the plants bind the soil very hard or very strongly, and if there are no trees or plants, then what happen, the upper layer of the soil will destroy due to wind also and due to water also. Is it clear? So cutting of trees, see, due to increase in population, demand of the food become more and more. So to fulfill this demand, what we are doing, we are cutting lot of forest, because forests are full of big trees. So to fulfill the demand of a food, we cut a lot of forest, make the land free for the cultivation. This is simple for the increased demand of a food. And after that, you see, now you will see in present times, you will see lot of facilities anywhere in your surrounding. You will see number of schools, market, malls, all these. So all these places has covered the land. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने अपनी लाइफ बहुत कंफर्टेबल बना ली। मैक्सिमम जहां कभी पहले पेड़ होते थे, सारे पेड़ काट काट के हम लोग ने एक पूरा शहर, सिटीज बसा ली है अपने सराउंडिंग्स में। ईच एंड एवरी फैसिलिटी इज अवेलेबल देयर इन आवर सराउंडिंग। एंड हाउ वी हैव डन दिस, वी हैव डन दिस बाई कटिंग द forest and making land free, so that our life become more comfortable. So that this happens due to our activities. Cuttings of trees, it also gives rise to air pollution, because student, we know that, see, there is a water treatment plant in which the water is filtered again to remove the impurities from the water. But how the air become clean, the air become clean, see, these trees are the filters. Air become clean due to the trees. And if you are continuous cutting the trees, जिसको हम लोग डिफॉरेस्ट्रेशन भी बोलते हैं, if you are continuous cutting the trees, see, maybe your ma'am, Poonam ma'am, she teach in you which chapter in your book, air chapter air, इन चपाती चार्ट उन्होंने आपको बताया होगा कि कितनी परसेंटेज होती है, कितने सारी गैसेस की कितनी परसेंटेज होती है। ये चैप्टर 8 में जब आपने ईवीएस पढ़ी होगी तो मैम ने बताया होगा। सो नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर कटिंग लॉट ऑफ ट्री, सो द परसेंटेज ऑफ द गैसेस, that percentage or that level is going up and down. and that is the reason situation of air pollution is increasing. Is it clear? So student, if you want to save your planet, so please plant new trees. These are the filters which filter the air, and if there are no tree, then what you will do? So that this is the most important reason for air pollution. देखो पहले इतने एक्सेस फॉरेस्ट थे, मतलब नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज बहुत थी। तो बेटा आपके जो है ना, उसमें आपने एयर चैप्टर में पढ़ा होगा कि कितने परसेंट ऑक्सीजन है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, नाइट्रोजन है, एक सबका बैलेंस मेंटेन है। लेकिन ड्यू टू आवर ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज, this balance of the gases, we are unable to maintain this, and this give a new problem that we say air pollution. So cutting of trees, that is the one of the important reason. Next, industries. Industries, or you can also write factory. So many things are manufactured inside this industry, and lot of smoke is also produced. So where this smoke is going, and this smoke produce harmful gases. अब देखो कौन हार्मफुल गैसेस होती हैं, पहले आई एम फर्स्ट ऑफ आई विल टॉक कि हाउ वी आर क्रिएटिंग ए pollution, and after that once I complete this, then after that I will write the name of the gases which are very poisonous for us. वो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे। जैसे हम अभी एक कॉमन सा वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं कि स्मोक इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्रीज एंड इंडस्ट्री एंड इट क्रिएटिंग harmful gases are coming. So these gases are mixed up with the air and polluted the air. Now I am teaching you directly harmful gases are coming. But when I finish this, then I also explain you what are the name of the harmful gases which are produced when we burn any type of a waste. किसी भी तरह का वेस्ट निकालते हैं तो कौन सी हार्मफुल गैसेस निकलती हैं उसमें। इट इज नॉट गिवन वेरी डिटेल इन योर बुक, लेकिन फिर भी नेम ऑफ द गैसेस और किस तरह के वेस्ट को बर्न करने से ऐसी गैसेस रिलीज होती हैं, दैट वी विल डिस्कस। फर्स्ट लेट डिस्कस व्हाट आर द रीजन। क्लियर? ओके, नाउ इंडस्ट्रीज एंड फैक्ट्रीज हो गया, ठीक है। अब मैंने इसे किस कैटेगरी में लिखा है? पॉल्यूशन क्रिएटेड बाय ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज। सो कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज, हु इज डूइंग द कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज? प्लांट आर कटिंग द plants, or animals are cutting the tree? No, we are human beings, we are cutting the tree. So this is created by human activities. That is the reason when I start explaining you about air pollution, I firstly told that it is divided into two parts. One is by nature and another is by human activities. So cutting of tree is the human activity, not the nature. Is it clear? Because maximum things which are where you are sitting and watching my video, have a look your room, maximum things inside your room all are natural resources by which we have made all these things. ठीक है, जो रॉ मटेरियल हम लोग को कोई भी मटेरियल बनाने के लिए मिलता है बेटा, वो सारा किससे मिल रहा है? नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज जो हैं। जैसे आप पढ़ाई लिखाई करते हो, बुक्स है, बुक्स हैं, कॉपीज हैं। सो हाउ वी आर गेटिंग ऑल दीज वी आर गेटिंग बाय कटिंग ऑफ द ट्रीज। इज इट क्लियर? सो इंडस्ट्री एंड फैक्ट्री, व्हाई ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट? व्हाई ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल? स्टूडेंट, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट because we have set up the factories, we are doing lot of manufacture work, lot of things are produced. Who are doing? We are doing, because in due to advancement and in the science and technology, lot of things we are making and making and what we are making our life more and more comfortable. So industries or factory, we are responsible for that. We set up the industries and factories. Okay, now another vehicle. So when I write the word vehicle, I think, is it very clear to all of you? See, you in the morning when you come to school or when you are going anywhere, so you see lot of vehicles on the road. So these vehicles are also man-made things. And how they run? They run because, see student, our body is also a machine. So from where we are getting energy? We are getting energy by eating the food. In the same manner, the energy which is used inside this vehicle, that is known as fuel, and that fuel is diesel or petrol. So they give us energy to this vehicle to run. So when these डीजल और पेट्रोल बर्न, जब ये बर्न हो रहे हैं तो इनसे एनर्जी रिलीज हो रही है, तो एट दैट टाइम स्मोक इज आल्सो कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द व्हीकल्स. आप लोग देखते हो जगह जगह रोक के प्रदूषण वाले चेक करते हैं, चेक किया जाता है ना, उसका भी एक हम सर्टिफिकेट रखते हैं अपने पास कि नहीं मेरी गाड़ी से प्रदूषण नहीं हो रहा है. होता है ना, नहीं पता होगा तो अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछ लेना. ठीक है, उसका भी एक कागज हमें रखना पड़ता है, बाई चांस अगर कागज नहीं है तो उसकी फाइन लगती है. इज इट क्लियर? सो लॉट ऑफ व्हीकल्स. और देखो बेटा, आज के प्रेजेंट टाइम में मुझे नहीं लगता आप पूरे इंडिया की तो बात नहीं कर सकता, मान लो आप ही मेरे क्लास के बच्चे हो, मैं तुम्हारे 40 या 152 बच्चों का टीचर हूं. अगर मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास में पूछूं कि किसके घर में व्हीकल नहीं है, आई थिंक शायद ही कोई हैंड रेस करेगा. आज सबने लगभग लगभग हर फैमिली में कुछ चीजें क्या बेसिकली कॉमन हो गई हैं. ऐसी कोई फैमिली जल्दी आपको नहीं मिलेगी कि जिनके यहाँ अपनी पर्सनल व्हीकल ना हो. ये सब चीजें इतनी एक्सेस हो गई हैं. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग इन द पास्ट टाइम, the problem of air pollution is less because number of vehicles on the road are very less. But in the present time there is a good network of roads. रोड फैसिलिटी काफ़ी अच्छी है. सो लोग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट भी यूज कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद अपने प्राइवेट ट्रांसपोर्ट से भी जा रहे हैं. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पोल्यूशन दैट इज क्रिएटेड बाय द व्हीकल्स which run. Who gives them energy to run? That is maybe petrol or what they are using, diesel. And due to this also lot of smoke is produced from, gases come out, harmful gases come out from the vehicles. And these gases when mix up with the fresh air, so what they are doing, they are making a clean air also polluted. Is it clear? Next point, domestic activity. Now see what are the domestic activities. वर्ड से ही आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर हाउस. ठीक है. नाउ इन प्रेजेंट टाइम इन मैक्सिमम होम्स you will see your mother are cooking on LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Maximum houses you see that now these day peoples are cooking food with LPG, so no problem. But इवन नाउ, मैंने क्या कहा, इतनी ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन है हमारी कंट्री की ना, अभी भी बहुत परसेंट लोग ऐसे हैं जिनके घर में चूल्हे हैं. गरीब लोग भी तो बहुत हैं बेटा इंडिया में. ठीक है, जिनके पास गैस, आपको लगता होगा कि अरे गैस बहुत महंगी नहीं है, तो ऐसा नहीं है. अभी भी हमारे देश में बहुत गरीब लोग भी हैं. अभी भी आप बहुत इंटीरियर एरियाज में चले जाओगे तो लोग वो पुराने चूल्हों में दे आर बर्निंग वुड. कोयला सुना है, कोल, they are burning that coal, wood, and by these things they are preparing food in the houses, in the house. So by burning all these types of fuel like coal, wood, काउ डंग, सुना होगा आपने काउ डंग, गाय के गोबर से भी उस पे भी खाना बनता है ना बेटा. So by burning these types of fuels for the cooking purpose, it is also creating a pollution, and that is known as air pollution. Thank you student.